Congratulations! You are on your way to cleaner water with your new SmartTap water filtration system from ReadyRefresh. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your system all by yourself. And even though you won't require a plumber, please follow the instructions closely for proper installation. First, let's identify the parts that are included in your SmartTap water filtration system. The filter head assembly, 1 filter cartridge, 2 pieces of 3/8" poly tubing, 3/8" NPTF male threaded connector with restrictor. This will either have a black ring or a black collar. 3/8" NPTF male threaded connector, 3/8" UNEF male adapter, 3/8" UNEF female adapter, a roll of PTFE tape, and some screws. Next, let's gather some of the other tools you will need: an adjustable wrench, a cordless drill, a Phillips head screwdriver, a razor knife or tube cutter, and a tape measure. Now we are ready to get started. It should take approximately 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Start by turning on the cold water from the faucet and let it run. While the water is running, turn the cold water valve under the sink clockwise to shut off the water flow from the faucet. Wrap 3 layers of the PTFE tape around the threaded portion of both NPTF connectors. Next, thread the NPTF connector to the inlet or the left side of the filter head assembly. Hand tighten first, then use the wrench so it fits snugly, but don't over-tighten. Now take the male NPTF connector with the black ring or collar and attach to the right side of the filter head assembly. Hand tighten first, then use the wrench to fit snugly. Measure 18 inches from the base of the cabinet and use the filter head assembly as a guide for spacing the width. Fasten the filter head assembly to the cabinet with the 2 mounting screws using a cordless drill. Connectors should be facing up. Place a bucket or towel under the cold water supply valve to catch any leaks, and disconnect the cold water line from the supply valve. Wrap 3 layers of the PTFE tape to the cold water supply valve. Then attach the 3/8" UNEF female adapter fitting. Thread by hand and give it a few turns with the wrench to ensure it's a snug fit without over-tightening. Insert 1 piece of poly tubing to the female adapter and push it in 3/4 inch. Insert the other end of the poly tubing to the left side of the filter head assembly. Push it in 3/4 inch. If tubing is too long, you can cut it for a better fit. Install the 3/8" UNEF male adapter to the water line connected to the faucet. Insert the second piece of poly tubing into the male adapter fitting and push in 3/4 inch. Insert the other end of the poly tubing to the right side of the filter head assembly. That is the component with the black ring or black collar inside. Push in 3/4 inch. Now it's time to install the filter cartridge. Remove the black cap from the filter. Align the lugs on the filter cartridge with the filter head assembly and insert the filter. Turn the filter clockwise until it stops, about a quarter turn. Lower the head of the shutoff valve to the right and down to open the valve. Turn on the cold water supply valve and open the cold water faucet in the sink to flush water from the system. You will hear air and water flowing through. Let it run approximately 5 minutes until the noise reduces. Now that the system is under pressure, you can inspect for any leaks. Remember to replace the filter cartridge at least once a year or when the flow rate slows down. That's it. You've successfully installed your SmartTap water filtration system. Now you can enjoy cleaner, more refreshing water the smart way.